It's me again, your girl Van Zeeg, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. On today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a wig by Outre in the name Kiyah. Let's see what she looked like. Okay, how are y'all doing? Happy Breast Cancer Awareness Month, happy spooky season, and I hope you all are doing very well out there in the world. Remember, it is the season of suicide awareness as well because of the holidays. Just be aware of what's going on with your family members and take care of yourself as well, okay? Y'all like my dress? I've been losing weight this winter. And about to show y'all my business. And look at this, it's so cute. I got it off TikTok shop. Yes. I just paired it with some of my sneakers. Super cute. So if y'all are interested, it'll be linked below. Okay? Alright, so let's get into this wig. So this one is by Outre. Like I said, I got it in the color 1B. And I said the name wrong. It's actually called Kiyah. Right here. Is this recording? Can y'all see me? 44. Okay, it is. Okay. Just making sure. I wanted to look at this one because it has that barrel wave look to it. And I just thought it was interesting. I never seen this one on somebody before, so I thought it'd be cute on me. So we're gonna try it out. So let's go over the specs of the wig that they have on the packaging here. It is pre-plucked lace parting. It has natural baby hairs. It comes in a plethora of colors from 1B, 2, blue angel, copper brown, ice blonde, red velvet, rosy blonde, whatever DRFF black jade is, DRFF black pink, DRST chocolate swirl. Okay, it is a 12-inch wig, lace front wig, and the name again is Kiyah. And I got it in the color 1B. Okay, let's see what's on the bag. Oh, that's all they had to say about this one. Okay, yeah, it looks really good on the model. Okay, and it's telling me that the colors shown are DRFF black jade, which is this one, the green one. Oh, that's cute. And then they have rosy blonde center, and then they have the copper brown on the right. Okay, so now I understand what DRFF means. I'm guessing it means bangs are colored and streaks throughout. So that's good to know. All right, let's open it up. Keep my bag. Outre's wigs are always neatly packaged. Trash. This net thing. Oh, don't get stuck in my nails, please. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look how shiny. I know we normally don't like shine, but with that wave, it looks so pretty. And it feels like yaki hair. Y'all can see that. I don't want to disturb the curls too much. It says it's heat resistant, has heat resistant fibers, safe up to 400 degrees. It's glueless, pre-attached elastic band, and it's HD transparent lace. So that's really cute, y'all. I really like this. Let's get into it. And of course, it has a care guide with the display card. Tells you how to take care of it and how to put it on, and all the special colors that it comes with. Okay, let me cut this off with my scissors. You never find stuff, y'all. Save that for my packet. I like to put my wig and my card back in the bag so I know which one it is. especially if I'm planning to keep it. It looks like this is gonna be a keeper. Pull all the stuffing out. Always comes neatly packaged. It has these little moisture packets in there. The lace is kind of light for me, but it is a brown lace, which I'm very surprised at. Usually it's that ashy whitish tan lace, so that's really good. So those of you of a lighter skin tone shouldn't have a problem with this one like blending with you. So that's good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have the lace cut off, let's get inside this wig and see what's going on. It does have the elastic band like it said it would. Perfect. So that thing that's gonna be, and I like that they put it kind of like towards the temple area, so it is definitely gonna be like pushed or flattened to the front of your face. And it does have the combs on the temples or ears and one comb in the back, so that's 3 combs to hold that wig on your head, ain't going nowhere. And it does have the adjustable straps with the eyelet, so you can adjust this outward or inward for more snugness, outward for less snugness to your head. I like to adjust mine in like so. Just unhook it. If I can get this one off. That one came off easy. Come on. I know it ain't easy. Oh, this one don't want to come off. I guess that's a good thing. That means it ain't coming unhooked easy. Am I struggling because I got nails? Okay, I'm gonna leave that one right there. It didn't want to come off. And it has basic cap construction, which I like, and it does have the parting space going back. It is I want to say it's a left side part. Yeah, looks like a left side part, and its cap is very breathable. I love that. Okay, let's put her on and see what she look like. I'm gonna put the band on first in the back behind my head. Pull the wig back. Put it under my wig grip. Oh yeah, I'm gonna like this one. Adjust it to my head setting. Get my ears out. Pull my glasses off. Make sure the ear tabs are in the proper spot. That's one thing I do like about ear tabs. You know exactly where your wig is supposed to be. Woohoo! Yes, it's giving glam, full glam. This is pretty, y'all. Oh my goodness! Wow, I really like this. And I like that it's kind of asymmetrical. Is it supposed to be asymmetrical? Oh, it is. Okay, I didn't even notice that before. I want to make it less asymmetrical. Okay, that's better for me. But you can leave it if you want to. I want less asymmetric for me. This is very glamorous. It's giving glam. Off rip. I kind of want to go in with some powder or some foundation just around here. On my brush. On my foundation. I'm using Neutrogena Sienna number 10 Flawless Matte CC Cream clear coverage. Let's see if I can make this darker around here. Oops. a beautiful wig, y'all. Wow. Sorry, I keep hitting my mic. I didn't even have to do anything. Literally put it on and go about your business. The parting space color is beautiful. You can put contour or something in. I don't have all my products out, so I'm not gonna be able to do everything. And I like being able to throw something on and go. This is beautiful. I wasn't expecting it to just be flawless off top. I don't like that I got some foundation on the actual hair. That's okay though. It still looks really good. Beautiful. So that was effortless. I thought it was gonna be a little bit harder, a little bit more of a struggle, but this is perfect. This is so cute already. All I did was take it out of the box, as y'all seen, cut the lace off, and put it on my head. Literally a throw on and go. Love this. It has movement. I think if you were to brush it, the hair will fluff out. But I like that barrel roll or that big crimp roll look. It's really pretty. I really like that. I'm not messing with it. I want to leave it just like this. All right, let me show y'all the back. Ooh, yes. I like this one. Okay, yeah, so if y'all like this one too, it'll be linked in the description box below. Again, this is Kiyah, and the inches on it is 12 inches, and this is the color 1B. Beautiful wig from Outre. It's a lace front, pre-plucked lace parting with pre-attached elastic band, and it's glueless. Obviously, it's glueless. All I did was put it on. I didn't put anything on this wig, y'all, except some contour or some foundation, and I didn't even put it on the way I'm supposed to. So yeah, highly suggest this one. This is so pretty. It'll be linked in the cards or the description box below. Also, this dress will be linked below if y'all are interested. I think it's a great find for the winter. You can add it with some tights, you can wear it with jeans, or you can just wear it with something you want to throw over. Like, hold on. I got this the other day too. And I'm cute with my shoes. And I'm warm. So cute. Yay! So yeah, this has been your girl Van Zieg, aka Vanessa. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and follow my channel, and I'll be sure to put out more content like this. Thank you for watching. Van Zieg. This is your girl Van Zieg, aka Vanessa. See y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.